Hey Doodle friends, today we have my 2020 full bullet journal flip through, and at the end I'm going to show you my craft paper journal, and I'm actually giving it away. I had dated it for 2021, so if you want to win the craft paper journal I show at the end, just leave a comment saying that you would like to win the journal. So I'm going to talk a little bit through this video, but if you want a quick flip through with no talking, go towards the end of the video, and if I remember, I will put the exact time in the description. So this is my creative journal. I have a lunar calendar, my moon rituals that I like to do. I don't have a future log, I just keep this journal more for creativity. I did a birthdays list, organized by the sun signs. Was really into astrology and witchy things in 2020. So I have a Green Witch prayer from the Green Witch book that I read. Just some other witchy spreads. I did a spread for all the plants that I have. I kind of did this more for show. I never really added more to it. It was just kind of fun to create this spread. And my crystal collection, and I left some blank ones so I could add the names as I got more crystals. The essential oils that I have, I just use the little stickers that go on top of the essential oils because I have so many of them. I made an Instagram tracker, but I don't really use this Instagram anymore. And then I have a YouTube tracker. I have consistently done my plan with me's every month, but towards the middle of the year, I just got so busy with creating my website and I was pregnant, and it is just so hard to keep up with everything that I want to do, but that is okay. I thought it'd be fun to have a nails of the year, and then each month I put in the nail color that I used for the month. Some of these are blank because I'm not really good at painting my nails. This spread was fun. I'm probably not going to do it again for 2021 because I have a kid now. I have a baby. She's 10 days old. I finally had her. It's so exciting. We already love her so much. We had a photo of the month, and I just printed these out. And I actually used Pic Collage to make the exact sizes that I wanted, and then I printed out the collage on a 4x6. That's a little trick to save money, because if you buy a 4x6, it's like 9 cents from Walmart. So I just use Pic Collage and get the size that I want. I have a favorite apps. That spread was fun. I have a few more to add there. I did my body tracker, but I did get pregnant, so I didn't go high enough in the numbers. My places traveled, I'll definitely have that for 2021. My life vision and statement, I'm probably not doing that again. And then I have goals. I like to do that for every year. And my baby Kinsley spread, I just have to add a picture of her because she's finally here. Here's a picture of her. If you're wondering what she looks like, she looks exactly like me. Everyone has been saying she's 10 days old in that picture, and she's growing every day. It's insane. I had a ton of stickers that I wanted to use, so I came up with this spread, things that I love, and I was just able to use a ton of stickers. I have a self-care idea page, and then January started, and I started out with the chakras theme. So I started with a cover page January, a quote page, a calendar, and then I have goals, and then specific kind of goals that I had at that time, like wedding goals and potion goals, because I make lotions and potions. I had a mood tracker, but I quickly found out that I don't really like mood trackers because I don't realistically bullet journal every day. I probably keep up with it every week. I had a manifestations page with all the chakras and crystals and essential oils I wanted to work with for that month. And then I had a weekly spread. I was pretty consistent with having my rituals spreads, my moon rituals. And then for February, I had an eyes theme, and it's kind of the same layout that I did before. I did a mood tracker again. brain dump. I had tic-tac-toe just for fun. Me and my husband played. This month I did tarot card a day. I didn't keep up with it very well, but I was trying to work with tarot cards and learn them. And I did a wedding day countdown, and it spelt out my last name, King. For March, this is definitely my favorite. I had my wedding, so I had a honeymoon spread, and I journaled about each day. It's kind of like a map of the entire honeymoon. And then I have the big day, and I have the timeline of our entire wedding day. This is definitely my favorite spread of all time. Probably because it is so pretty, but because I got married, and that's what it's about. And that day was definitely magical. Now we're on to April. We did constellations and bunny rabbits. Still did my moon rituals. I had a thoughts page. I started doing monthly recaps for like shows that I watched, maybe books that I read, self-care. May is my least favorite of all. I actually hate how this turned out. I used, what is that called? The mandalas? Is that a mandala? Yes. That little mandala thing, you like draw it in a circle and it makes different mandalas, but I just want to entirely skip over this month. Okay, to June I did astrology. I liked this way better. I had the cover page, quote page, kind of the same layout as the previous ones. My calendar, I started having like full moon pages, a reflection page, spells, favorite memories. July I did butterflies. I was trying something new for the calendar, and I used paint and gold paint. I kind of like how it came out. I was trying to do something different, floating calendar boxes. This was kind of random, but I was practicing flowers, so I did a flower spread. This is my thoughts page. I just kind of like to recap all my fun memories from the month on that page. I had full moon intentions. August I did mushroom theme. I love how this one came out. I feel like definitely month by month my bullet journal got prettier and prettier. So if you haven't started a bullet journal, people always are scared to mess it up, but I'm never scared to mess mine up because you can always just cut out the page or paste them together. Your journal is probably never going to be perfect, so you might as well just start and learn as you go, and you'll get better and better. And it's really fun to look back at your progress, because I had a bullet journal for 2019. It wasn't a dot grid, but it's so fun to just look at how far I've come in bullet journaling. For October, I started making and using stickers because I didn't have as much time. I'm pregnant. I was pregnant. I have a baby now. So I'm totally relying on stickers for my bullet journal. I just don't have as much time to draw. And I have so many other creative things that I like to do. So if you like any of these stickers or want to check out my shop, the link is in the description. And I do giveaways. I have freebies on the blog. You can sign up for the newsletter and all that type of fun stuff. For November, I had the gnomes theme. Of course, these stickers are in my shop. And I did a gratitude page. I started adding in weeklies, and I just write down what I did each day or a thought for the day. And for December, I think these are my favorite stickers. It's like a vintage type Christmas. So yeah, this isn't filled out yet because I'm filming before the month is over. I hope this gave you some ideas. Keep watching if you want to see the craft paper bullet journal. Oh, and I have an advent calendar that's included in the stickers. I always include little envelopes, little calendars. There's usually always 12 pages to the stickers, so if you don't use weeklies, you will use all the rest of the stickers. I did the best of 2020 spread. I did a baby guesses spread. Kinsley is born, so that is filled out now. And I did fit all of my pages into one bullet journal for 2021. And I messed up this page on the right. That's why it looks like that. I kind of covered something up. So yeah, I divided all the pages, used an exact number for each month. So I was able to use one journal for the entire year, and now I'll have a new journal. This is a B5 journal. I'm actually moving to an A5 for 2021, so that'll be new. And here's how thick my journal is. It's pretty thick. I've seen way thicker before, and I do include a lot of envelopes with little slips inside, so that definitely adds to the bulkiness. Alright, this is the journal I am giving away. At the beginning of 2020, I was filming craft paper plan with me's, but towards the middle of the year, I didn't have as much time, so I stopped filming them. But I did finish the craft paper journal because I did promise you guys that I would give it away, and I am true to my words, so I finished it. So here is a flip through. I don't have weeklies in there, but I do have blank pages at the end of every month, and then there's a ton of blank pages at the end, so you can definitely customize this to your liking. I do have very similar spreads for each month. You get a cover page and kind of like a sticker quote page, a calendar page with some notes or goals on the side. I did moon rituals for every month, gratitude page, review page, and then 2 questions related to the monthly theme, or just like some self-care questions. And some of this book, it has ripped. I'm really sorry, but I did glue it back together. The ream kind of fell apart. And I got this journal before craft paper journals were even a thing, so there isn't a dot grid on it. There were no craft paper dot grid journals available when I bought this, so that's why I just have a plain craft paper journal. I based the monthly themes on the season or holiday for the month. So June was a summer theme with some fun summer colors, and July was, of course, about 4th of July. It was really fun to use these stickers I had lying around because I used to buy those little sticker books, but what I always found is that there weren't enough stickers to create a monthly theme, so that's why I started creating my own stickers. So I had a ton of stickers that matched the monthly theme. So August was all crystals. A white gel pen looks great on craft paper. My favorite is the Sakura Jelly Roll size 10. September, I left it a little bit bare. I was kind of over making it at that point. I needed a break. So October, I did a Halloween theme. I used a super skinny washi tape for the calendar lines throughout this entire journal. It's actually meant for your nails. It's super thin, and it's like $2 on Amazon, so it's really cheap. For November, I did kind of like a Thanksgiving fall theme. I did 30 days of gratitude. And sorry, some of these washi tapes kept sticking to the next page. And then December, of course, I did a Christmas theme. I had a lot of fun with this, with the shiny washi tapes for the calendar lines. I gave you a gift list and some extra blank Christmas spreads. And then you have all these blank pages in the back to add your own spreads. So hopefully there's some of you out there that would benefit from this journal, that want it. So go ahead and leave a comment just saying that the fact that you want the journal, maybe why you want it. Now I'm going to show you the quick flip through of the 2020 journal.